Revolutionizing agriculture, how robots are transforming farming. Imagine a world where the toil of the fields is shared with tireless steel companions, where the rhythm of the seasons is orchestrated not just by the hands of the farmer, but also by the gears of innovation. Welcome to the vanguard of agriculture, where robots are not just guests but integral workers on the farm, revolutionizing the way we cultivate the earth and sustain our populations. As we stand on the cusp of this new age, let us explore how robotics is weaving its way into the very fabric of farming. In the verdant fields where the future of agriculture is taking root, a technological revolution is underway. Robotics, once a mainstay of manufacturing and industrial landscapes, has now found fertile ground in farming. As we witness a paradigm shift in how food is grown, harvested, and brought to market, let's delve into the various aspects of robotics that are reshaping the age-old practices of farming. Autonomous tractors and harvesters. The backbone of farm mechanization has evolved. Today's tractors and harvesters are becoming increasingly autonomous, capable of performing tasks with little to no human intervention. Equipped with GPS and AI, these machines navigate fields, plant seeds, and harvest crops with precision that minimizes waste and maximizes yield. Drone technology. Soaring above are drones, the new sentinels of crop health. They monitor vast expanses of land, using advanced imaging techniques to assess plant health, hydration levels, and even detect pest infestations. With this data, farmers can make informed decisions, applying water, fertilizers, or pesticides only where needed, thus conserving resources and maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Robotic crop management. On the ground, smaller robots are making their mark in crop management. These agile machines can thin, weed, and spray crops with an accuracy that is transforming farm labor. They work tirelessly day and night, ensuring that plants receive individualized care on a scale that was previously unimaginable. Precision agriculture. At the heart of robotic farming technology lies precision agriculture. This approach leverages data and analytics to tailor the care each crop receives. By analyzing soil conditions and crop performance, robotic systems can deliver water, nutrients, and care in precise quantities at the right times, optimizing each plant's growth and reducing the farm's overall environmental footprint. Vertical farming robots. Vertical farming, where crops grow in stacked layers, often indoors, relies heavily on robotics to manage these controlled environments. Robots here are involved in planting, monitoring, and harvesting crops, ensuring efficiency and reducing the need for human labor in spaces where it is at a premium. The ethical and economic impacts. While the advent of robotics in farming heralds efficiency and sustainability, it also raises important questions about the economic and social impact on the farming community. The shift toward automation must be managed thoughtfully to ensure that the rural workforce is not left behind. A future sustained by robotics. As we embrace the dawn of robotic farming, we are not just witnessing an evolution in agriculture, but a transformation in our relationship with the land and food production. It promises a future where farms are more productive, more sustainable, and more resilient. Robotics in farming isn't just a fleeting trend, it's the cornerstone of modern agriculture, ensuring that as the global population grows, we have the tools to feed the world sustainably and responsibly. Stay with us as we continue to explore and discuss the innovations shaping our world. For more insights into the future of technology and its impact on our lives, make sure to subscribe and join the conversation.